The World Health Organization, WHO, has made a powerful move today by updating its list of essential medicines to include crucial new treatments for cancer, diabetes, and other serious conditions, a change that could reshape global health outcomes dramatically. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these medicines are high cost, raising questions about access and affordability worldwide. The WHO's updated model lists of essential medicines, EML, and essential medicines for children, EMLC, now feature new therapies targeting various cancers, diabetes complicated by obesity, as well as treatments for cystic fibrosis, psoriasis, hemophilia, and other blood disorders. These lists are vital because they identify the most important medicines required to meet the health needs of populations and serve as a standard in more than 150 countries. Governments and health systems rely on them to guide medicine procurement, insurance coverage, and reimbursement schemes. This is the 24th edition of the adult list and the 10th for children, showing the ongoing evolution of global health priorities. Dr. Yukiko Nakatani, WHO's Assistant Director General for Health Systems, Access and Data, highlighted that these updates represent a significant advance in making medicines with proven benefits more widely available, potentially changing global health landscapes for the better. Originally created in 1977 to help improve medicine access in developing countries, the WHO model lists have grown into a trusted global tool. The current lists now cover 523 essential medicines for adults and 374 for children, reflecting the most urgent health challenges. Cancer, which claims nearly 10 million lives annually and is the second leading cause of death globally, has been a key focus. It accounts for nearly 1/3 of premature deaths from non-communicable diseases. Despite many new cancer drugs gaining regulatory approval, only those showing a clear survival benefit of at least 4 to 6 months are included, reflecting the WHO's rigorous standards aimed at meaningful impact. 7 cancer-related applications covering 25 medicines was scrutinized. A major development is the expanded inclusion of PD-1, PD-L1 immune checkpoint inhibitors, groundbreaking immunotherapies that bolster the body's immune response against cancer. For instance, pembrolizumab is now listed as a first-line treatment for metastatic cervical, colorectal, and non-small cell lung cancers. Alternatives such as atezolizumab and semiplimab are also recognized for non-small cell lung cancer. The expert committee also put forward practical strategies based on expert clinical guidance to improve both the accessibility and affordability of cancer treatments. These include optimizing drug dosing to maximize benefits without raising costs. While broader health system reforms are essential, the committee emphasized that immediate clinical measures could provide quicker relief, especially in low-resource settings. Turning to diabetes and obesity, these two conditions represent some of the most urgent global health crises today. In 2022, over 800 million people lived with diabetes, with half receiving no treatment. Similarly, obesity affects over 1 billion people worldwide, with its prevalence soaring particularly in low- and middle-income countries. These illnesses are often intertwined, increasing risks for heart and kidney diseases. The WHO has now added a group of medications called glucagon-like peptide-1, GLP-1 receptor agonists to the essential list, including semaglutide, dulaglutide, liraglutide, and tirzepatide, which is a dual GLP-1 glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide GIP receptor agonist. Scientific evidence shows these drugs not only help control blood sugar in adults with type 2 diabetes, especially those with heart or kidney complications, but also aid in weight loss. The organization pledges ongoing support in monitoring prices and assisting countries to expand access to these essential therapies. Destedit Mubangazi, WHO's Director of Policy and Standards for Medicines and Health Products, stressed that medicine expenses form a large portion of out-of-pocket spending on non-communicable diseases worldwide. Achieving equitable access demands coordinated health system responses, political commitment, collaboration across various sectors, and inclusive programs designed to leave no one behind. For readers eager to dive deeper, The WHO has published detailed recommendations covering all the changes, additions, and removals, along with rationales for medicines not endorsed. This transparency offers valuable insight into the rigorous evaluation process. It's important to note that the 25th WHO Expert Committee on the Selection and Use of Essential Medicines met in Geneva from May 5 to 9, 2025, to review these applications thoroughly, examining each medicine's effectiveness, safety, relative cost, and overall cost-effectiveness. They also revisited antibiotic classifications under the AWARE Access Watch Reserve framework to adapt to emerging challenges. The model lists are updated biennially by a diverse group of experts in academia, medical practice, research, and pharmacy. This systematic revision ensures the lists remain relevant by addressing new health threats, prioritizing the most effective therapeutic options, and promoting affordable access globally. And here's the big question to you. With the high costs of many newly added essential medicines, especially for cancer and diabetes, should wealthy nations bear more responsibility for subsidizing these treatments? Or is it time to rethink the pharmaceutical pricing system worldwide? Share your thoughts below. Do you agree with WHO's approach to the essential medicines list? Or do you see alternative strategies that could better serve global health equity?